Good morning to everyone. Today we will discuss about 4 chiral center atom in Fischer projection compound. This is a glucose. First of all, this is a Fischer molecule which we find out the RS configuration based on CIP rules. It is important. This is a horizontal group point out is towards you and vertical group points away behind you. Let's do CIP rule step by step which can get RS configuration for each stereocenter. I will give number the chain from top aldehyde down to CH2OH. Here is a 5 chiral atoms. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is not chiral, but there is a 4 carbon atom is chiral. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now CIP rules, but in the Fischer horizontal point out towards you and vertical points away behind you. It is important for Fischer projection compound. In the lowest purity group is a vertical. Lowest purity group is vertical on the behind, like 1, 2 is called anti-clockwise. And if the lowest purity group is horizontal line in front you, then it is a reverse. It is a completely reverse. It is a rule of Fischer projection. If vertical, then anti-clockwise and behind you, and horizontal line, so then it is reverse you. Like a C2 carbon. Here is a C2 carbon. And first chiral center, CHO aldehyde, and this is C2. Substitution is at C2, write OH. OH is first. I give here first purity. And aldehyde is a second purity. And carbon and bottom, this is carbon 3. I will give third purity. And hydrogen fourth. Here is a C2. So counterclockwise could be as reversing R. We will not count this one. It is called reversing count R. Like this. It is called R. This one. It is an anti-clockwise. It is an anti-clockwise S. But we can reverse it, then become a R. Now third carbon. Third carbon is a middle center substitution at a C, like a OH. OH is a 1 purity. Second, this is a carbon 2. Yani here this carbon 2 we give second, and here third, and hydrogen. Hydrogen will give fourth, and this is a third. Here carbon third is a bottom downside, carbon downside, then it's give third. So we can this. In the Fischer projection 1, 2, in left side, top of the window, which paper is a clockwise, like this. Yes, like this. It is a, this is carbon, and this is a clockwise R. But we can reverse it, it's become a S. Now, last carbon C4, lowest chiral atom, just this one. Right side, it is OH group, yani 1, and this is C2 to 3, top, here also 3, and it's give 3 number. We give this, sorry, I will give here second one for this carbon, and this carbon is third one, and here fourth. Now on the Fischer projection, 1, 2, 3 gives right top of button, which on the paper countwise. Lowest hydrogen horizontal. Here is a hydrogen, which front side. So it's reverse the sense and could be S. This could be S. This one. It is S, but we can reverse it. It's become R. So carbon 1. Here carbon 1 is R, and carbon 2 also is S, and carbon 4 is R. So this one is a Fischer projection. Thank you.